Hey everybody, this is Brian Knowlton with HowToEarnMoney.TV. It doesn't matter if you've never made a dime online before. Through my step-by-step video tutorials and interviews with industry experts, I'm going to show you how you can make money online.
In this video, we'll be taking a look at the second golden rule of keyword research, namely traffic. We'll be covering the difference between searches and traffic. We'll also discuss the organic traffic settings in Market Samurai. And finally, we'll take a look at how to find keywords that have sufficient traffic to be worth targeting. In every niche, there are many different keyword phrases, and every phrase has a value based on how many people use it to access the niche. Some keywords generate high levels of traffic, while other keywords generate low levels of traffic. For example, in the dog training niche, on average, 249 people per day explore the niche by entering the phrase "how to train a dog" into Google. In contrast, only one person per day explores the niche using the phrase "dog training facts." Many people are surprised to learn that in most niches, over 90% of all keywords have insignificant levels of traffic and are not really worth spending a lot of time and effort on. Unfortunately, when a lot of people start their internet business, they target keywords at random and are then disappointed to find that they receive little or no traffic to their website. Using Market Samurai, however, you'll be able to zero in on the minority of keywords in your niche that do have significant levels of traffic. So let's cross over to Market Samurai and take a look at how this works in the real world. In this example, I've created a project based on the term dog training. To analyze the keywords I've generated, I just come down here and click the Analyze Keywords button. In this video, we'll be focusing on the organic traffic data, which is why I've checked all of these checkboxes and unchecked all the other checkboxes. As you can see, we now have 4 columns of data that describe the organic traffic associated with a selection of keywords in the dog training niche. The first column is searches, and this shows the average number of people who search for a particular keyword each day. I can sort my data from high to low by clicking on the column heading Searches. So this means that on average 364,932 people search for the term puppy and its derivatives each day. The next column is SEO Traffic, which we abbreviate to SEOT. To understand SEO traffic, we first need to clarify the difference between searches and traffic. Whenever Google displays a page of results relating to a particular keyword, a high percentage of people will choose to explore the number 1 ranked website. A smaller percentage of people will choose to explore the number 2 ranked website, and so on. The average breakdown of these percentages is as follows. The number 1 ranked website receives 42% of clicks. The number 2 ranked website receives 12% of clicks. The number 3 ranked website receives 8% of clicks. The number 4 website receives 6% of clicks. The number 5 website receives 5% of clicks. The number 6 website receives 4% of clicks. And the number 7 website receives 3% of clicks. And the remaining clicks are shared between all the other sites listed in Google. What this means is that even if you are the number 1 ranked website in Google for a particular keyword, there is a big difference between the number of people who search for a phrase and the number of people who will actually click through and visit your website. So rather than basing your analysis on search numbers and then being disappointed by the actual traffic you receive, we developed the concept of SEO traffic, which gives you an indication of the maximum daily visitors that the number 1 ranked website in Google could potentially receive from each keyword. In fact, because SEOT is a more accurate estimate of actual traffic, I'll just go up here and hide the total searches column to make things a little easier. The next column we'll look at is the phrase to broad match ratio, which is a useful filter for eliminating misleading keyword phrases. The higher the PBR, the more likely it is that people are actually searching for a phrase in Google. And the final column we'll look at today is the trends column, which provides a visual representation of the monthly traffic trends for each keyword. The first bar relates to January, and the last bar relates to December. Now, because I'm analysing keywords in November 2009, the first 10 bars make use of data from January 2009 through to October 2009. However, the last 2 bars make use of data from November 2008 and December 2008. In this way, the graph always provides 12 months of trend information. The trends graph is particularly useful for identifying keywords that are very seasonal. For example, here is the organic traffic data for the keyword phrase Halloween costumes. You can see that this is a very seasonal term, with a large spike in October, as you'd expect. If you want even more trend-related information, just click on the trend graph. This will open a new window that provides more detailed information relating to the trends associated with your keyword phrase. Okay, let me just close this window and we'll get back to Market Samurai. Now that we've looked at what each of the organic traffic indicators mean, let's take a look at how to identify keywords that have significant levels of traffic and are worth targeting. The first step is to set a traffic filter. To do this, I just come down here and click the plus sign next to SEO Traffic. And now I enter a minimum value that I want to target. At Noble Samurai, we like to use the value 80. This will filter out any keywords that do not have the potential to deliver at least 80 visitors per day to the #1 ranked website in Google. The next step is to set a phrase to broad match filter of 15%. To do that, I'll just click the plus sign and enter 15, and then click the Refresh Filters button. Finally, if I click on the SEOT heading, I can sort my keywords by the amount of traffic they can potentially deliver to my website. So in this video, we took a look at the second golden rule of keyword research, traffic. We clarified the difference between searches and traffic. Then we examined each of the organic traffic analysis tools in Market Samurai. And finally, we saw that by setting an SEO traffic filter of 80 and a PBR filter of 15, we can identify keywords that have the potential to deliver significant traffic to our website.
Well, I hope you really enjoyed that episode. You know, I've been receiving a lot of really good comments and questions off of my website about how to earn money. So what I'd like you to do, if you're interested, is send me an email. You know, any questions, comments, and I will be answering any type of questions and answering the comments in my upcoming shows. So just visit the website here, submit your information, and I'm going to be answering those for you. Another great thing is a lot of people have been going into iTunes and rating my show in there. I'm not sure if you're watching it on iTunes or YouTube or Roku, but in iTunes, you know, you just log in, give me a 5-star rating, or is it 5 stars or is it 3? I'm not sure. Find out. Just go there and rate my show and put in a comment there. That really helps me out get more exposure and able to bring more shows to you. Same thing with Roku. Just go to the title screen for the show, rate me in there, and that just brings in more viewers. So I really appreciate that. Really helps me out a lot. And if you're looking for that WordPress hosting, want to get a WordPress website up instantly, go to mybluehosting.com, send me the information if you'd like, and I'll install your WordPress blog for you. So thanks again for spending your time with me, and until next time, Just do it.